Icing your face is everywhere right now. Morning routines, post-workout, for pimples, for pores, everyone's doing it. So let's actually settle this. Does it actually work? Some of it is genuinely real. Cold causes your blood vessels to constrict temporarily. Less blood rushing into surface means less puffiness, less redness, slightly tighter looking skin. This isn't trend. Cold compress have always been in medicine for swelling for decades. The science is there. Morning puffiness, especially around the eyes, a quick cold application helps. It lasts an hour or two, but not forever. But it works, it is real. An inflamed pimple, the cold reduces inflammation temporarily, so it won't dissolve the pimple, but it at least reduces the heat and the swelling down. Now pores. This is where I need to stop the trend for a second. Pores don't open or close like tiny doors. Cold makes them look a little smaller because the skin tightens around them, but your actual pore size, that's genetics and your oil production. Ice doesn't change those. The problem isn't ice, it's how people are using it. Direct ice on bare skin for more than few seconds can cause an ice burn or an irritation. The skin around your eyes especially is very thin and delicate. It has no business being whatsoever in contact with ice. Always make sure you wrap it up in a soft cloth. If you have sensitive skin, rosacea or visible broken capillaries, extreme cold can actually worsen redness over time. And a lot of extreme exposure to that cold stresses your blood vessels and they don't refresh at all. For some skin, it does more harm than good. So icing your entire face every single morning for more than few minutes, you're not building a skincare habit, you're actually breaking your barrier.